Yr adran by, a dyna lle i ni'n canolbwyntio. Mae'n llyged ni fan hyn yn edrych ar y Caseg Fagu 4 i 7 o'd ar ebolion o'i blaenau. Dyna sy'n ychwanegu at sain fendigedig y dosbarth yma, yn dy fe Beth.
Ie, fi'n credu wrth bod nhw'n siarad gyda'i gilydd.
Yn gallu gweithio o fantes i gael sylw y Caseg.
Ydy, mae neu o anfantes weithiau os nag yw'r ebol neu fel chi moyn, neu mae'r Caseg yn poeni gormod, ond mae hon yn edrych yn eitha cool ar y blaen, sef hynny ar Twmba Rwmba.
Felly, i ni'n gobeithio bydd het Mr Gareth Price yn dod bant cyn bo hir. Ti'n trio dyfalu o ran y cerddediad pa mor agos yw ei benderfynu yn derfynol?
Mae'n dal i edrych fi'n credu, mae'n dal i feddwl.
Pendroni fyny nawr. A iffe i wylod y linell, neu ydy e wedi wneud i benderfyniad?
Mae'n hoffi edrych o bob ongl. Neud yn siŵr bod e'n cymharu nhw'n fanwl.
Ac i atgoffa dyw'r ebolion ddim yn cael ei beirniadu yn yr dosbarth yma. Mond y Caseg Fagu, ond mae'r het i ffwrdd.
Na ni, hynny ar Twmba Rwmba sy'n ei chael gan Tŵr y Feil Hwsyn. Allan o Heniarth Tingaling, ni wedi gweld y march Tŵr y Feil Hwsyn yn cael tipyn o lwyddiant dros y sioe. A Richard Miller fyna yn ddigon hapus gyda Twmba Rwmba fi'n credu yn derbyn yr safle cyntaf.
Siw bydd Richard Miller wneud y rwmba nawr i ddathlu.
Fi'n siŵr o fod, fi'n edrych mlaen at i weld e.
Well, in the section B ring in the middle, we have a result. And the winner there of class number 41, the broodmare 47 years old, was number 497, RL and DM Miller and Davis with Heniarth Twmba Rwmba. In second, 499, Paul Hutcliffe with Bailey Angelica. In third was number 495, Robert Jones with Buckley C. Pearl. In fourth was number 491, Sandy Anderson, Thistledown Arctic Daisy. In fifth was number 498, LJ and W. Owen with the API Spring Baby Sham. And sixth was number 492, Dorothy Bifton with Walsica Carolina. A dyma ni'n croesawu nodwr unwaith eto i'r cylch, Mr Alwyn Morgans. Welcoming our sponsor to the ring once again, Mr Alwyn Morgans. So there we are then in the section B ring. Show your appreciation to the winner of the junior broodmare class, Heniarth Twmba Rwmba.
Wel, nech chi curiad y galon yn cyflymu fyna i Richard Miller a llongyfarchiadau mowr iawn i Heniarth Twmba Rwmba ar ennill y dosbarth yma i'r Caseg Fagu gyda'r Merlod Cymreig.
Yn yr adran i enillydd y Caseg Fagu i fag. Heniarth Twmba.
Well, Richard Miller of Rydfa Heniarth, you'll be sick of seeing me by the end of this week. Yet another win in the Section Bs.
Yeah, well, never sick of seeing you, Hannah. But yeah, hat-trick, 3 out of 3. So yeah, really made up, yeah.
Well, I did notice in the ring, actually, from where I was sat, that when the hat came off from the judge, you turn and give the pony a kiss. Now, how important are these ponies for yourself and your partner, Mare?
Oh, well, we're complete anoraks, live, eat, sleep, drink, breathe them 24/7. But this is a special mare. She's not been shown as a broodmare before. This is the first time since she was here as a yearling, and she was third. And this is the third foal. So really pleased. And she's a sister to the young stock champion from yesterday, but she's a chestnut and that was a grey yesterday. So.
Just proving how successful your bloodlines are there. Well, many, many congratulations to the Heniarth stud once again. And I may well have to see you another time. Let's see how the championship goes.
Let's hope so.
Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.
Thank you.
And there's on